Well, it looks like we have 2 trains coming. And yes, I am back out here in Holland, Ohio. Probably one of my most requesting videos on YouTube. But yes, I think it has been a couple years ago. And yes, I'm back here in Holland. Once in a while I've been out in like Wassian or something, but I decided to come out here in Holland today. And this here is a no train horn zone, as you can see. And no semis are allowed, it says. But I don't know if that's right. He's crossing Elbon Road, right?
Right.
So he must be moving out, right? Yeah. One over here, he is just now getting up to speed. Are they gonna show up at the same time, or you doubt it?
I don't know.
He's coming. I'll walk up here a little closer. He's coming up here quick. Can you hear his engine? Good luck, cars. Oh, a cop, oh no! A cop is gonna have to wait in this mess. Yeah. Oh no! He's coming, right? Oh no, he's honking. Oh no! Is he flying? And now we get the other one. I don't know how far he is. Well, he must not be far enough quite yet, right? Man, is the car speeding now? Kind of. Now I have a red and I know. Great. And the other one is not too far. He's got a green now. I don't feel anything on the rails. Yeah, but Yeah, it's a red and green right now. And we still have a red at L Bond Road. And it looks like we might be having another one coming. Oh yeah, he's coming. Let's get back up here again. Oh, there go the bottom lights. Brighter this time, see it?
Mm-hmm.
So he's coming, right?
Yeah.
What do you want to guess? Is he gonna be like flying?
Probably.
We still got a red over here down there too. Oh no, I can't move. Well, that's it for right now. I'm gonna make a new video of this one.